Hola, hi fashion doll lovers, and bienvenidos to my channel. In today's video, I will be finally unboxing the BarbieStyle Vanity set. And I say finally because I've had my eye on it for a very long time. Obviously, you all know that it's been out for forever, but it finally went on sale and I got it. And let me tell you something. For those who've been asking about my dollhouse, my bedroom has been waiting for this for a very long time. So today in this video, you will be getting a preview of the bedroom up there. Before we get into today's unboxing, if you are a fashion doll lover just like myself, please consider hitting the subscribe button so you can get notified whenever I have any video related to dolls, fashion, and everything in between. Now, let's meet today's models, shall we? First up, we have my beautiful Colette, customized by Bestie. And joining her, we have Miss Caroline Stone. Now, let's take a look at this box. Without further ado. The box takes up a lot of space in my very tiny workspace. But anyways, I wanted to show you the box before I unboxed everything because I really do appreciate the BarbieStyle branding. I've mentioned this before in the fashion packs. I just love the marble. I love the colors. I also love the quality of the box that they use. Now I'm gonna try to open this. This was pretty hard just 2 seconds ago. What if I move it this way? Okay, there we go. All right. Over here, on this way, we have the backgrounds that were included on this set. I still haven't figured out how I'm gonna incorporate them into my life, but we'll see how that goes. I feel like this red carpet Barbie moment is just in time for the movie. And on this side, we have the main attraction, the Vanity. So excited to take this out. I think I'm going to unbox everything off camera. I'm definitely going to do that. But I'm going to take a look at the clothing and the smaller accessories on the table. I will be showing you where the Vanity is going to live in my dollhouse and kind of explain that in the bedroom. So in this video, you will finally get to see my bedroom. It is not finished, so keep that in mind. But you'll see the home that I've been reserving for this Vanity. Now, let me go ahead and take everything out and clear out this area. Let's go for that YouTube magic, shall we? Okay, slight change of plans in the order of my video. As I was unboxing everything, I noticed something that caught me off guard and I was like, wait, is that really how this goes? So I was under the impression we had 3 backgrounds, but technically, for those that won't be keeping the box, I only really have 2 backgrounds because I just moved the camera. This third one, yep, my voice went up higher, is stuck to the box. Can't take it out. It's like glued there. So if I want to keep this one, which I really do, honestly, it's like one of my faves, I would have to take this off. Oh, let's just do it on camera. But look, I've lost it. I've lost part of it. Wow. So this one's gonna be even smaller. I love the idea of having a background. I don't love it that it stuck to the box because with these backgrounds, in order for them to work, you really have to know your depth. You have to know how far away from the doll you have to put it in order for it to work in a frame. So this doesn't technically work because also you would have to keep the box. It's just not realistic and I'm a little upset. So, you know, how sad is that? Look at that, look at that. I mean, let's just go ahead and do it. Because, and I don't even know if I can take it from the box after I'm doing all of this. Oh my God, there's that part. No, I don't think I can. Oh, that's so sad. Oh, well, there you have it. If you knew, amazing. But I didn't know. So technically, I only have 2 backgrounds. That's kind of sad. All right, well, moving on. Everything's been unboxed. I've already had an accident outside of the box. But I will explain that to you in a second. As standard with Barbie, we have a certificate of authenticity and a doll stand, which I think is a little weird. Maybe that's just me. Okay, let's look into these items, shall we? I've decided to kind of break it into two groups. I have the fashion group, and then we're gonna have the vanity. I've decided that like the smaller items would probably be better displayed on the vanity. So when I place the vanity in the room, we'll look at footage of it all together there and really look at those details. So I wanted to focus on the fashions first. As mentioned earlier, I did lose a shoe. I did not put it there. Yep. I lost a clear shoe as I was unboxing her. These are the shoes that she came with. They were under the dress. I'm still going to give them a try on an Integrity doll because I just recently did the fashion pack and that purple pump almost worked. So want to give it a try. Now here we have a two-piece outfit, which I find it interesting that I haven't seen more people use it as a two-piece. Because although it looks like a gown, it really is two pieces. And I think that really adds to the mix and match play here. I also didn't realize she had two bras. I thought it was just the white one. She also has a black one right over here. We have the green jacket that we've seen. We have a pair of jeans. Hoping that these are stretchy. We've had luck with a previous BarbieStyle pair of jeans. I'm hoping we have the same here. And I say that because bottoms don't always translate well with Integrity toy dolls, but here's fingers crossed to that. We have a pair of combat boots. We also have a pair of these like tennis sneakers with a little detail on them. Really like that little green detail. For those that are probably wondering, you showed me the sneakers and not the boots. I'm gonna give you a moment and give them to you as well. Pretty basic combat boot, nothing crazy there. She also came with a pink purse that looks like a little lunchbox. It appears to be able to open. Oh, great. You're gonna do this to me, aren't you? It looks like you can open it. It looks like you can open it. We have the standard clutch. I'm gonna say standard because I've seen this purse so many times. I'm ready for a new mold. And then we also have this pyramid purse, which I am also in love with. It also looks like you can open it, but maybe that's not the case. Okay. This looks like you can. It's not giving that vibe, so maybe that's false hope. We also have this white handbag. Has a little opening here. And I decided to add the sunglasses to this group. So the reality is there's so many things we could do. I pre-thought that I'm going to style this together like that. I'm probably not going to use the shoes, but I will test them out while we're here actually. But let me create these looks. I've already started. So I was thinking that for one look, and then for the other look I was thinking this. And originally it was going to be with the white, but now that I have the black, I can do the black with this. And if I want to get really funky, I can try to layer this just to use everything. I might do that. I might do that. Now, I have to see if this layers up well. So in the final look, if you don't see it, it's because it didn't work. But before I move any further, let me get a model right over here. And let's test out these shoes, shall we? I'm gonna go with the one clear pump that I have. See, similar to the pump, wait, I'm gonna need both hands. It almost feels like you can do it, but you can't. You can't. There's just not enough space in the front for the toes to actually go in, so it's false hope. The boots are a little high, so I don't think that would work either. Yeah, because of the heel, it doesn't work. I don't have any, for those out there, for those people out there, let me specify, that have flat feet, I would say give them a try and let me know. I don't own any flat feet, so it's not my desired preference, I should say. So I wouldn't be able to test that out. But now let's do the last pair. It's a no. I also have to say that I feel like Barbie's feet have gotten smaller throughout the years. Um, and that doesn't help with being able to use her shoes with other people. Now, before I leave the fashion segment, I will show you the doll because, well, I just mentioned that her feet are so small now. You know, we have the Barbie with the posableness, and here's how she looks. I really hope that they start getting a little bit more creative with makeup and hairstyles when it comes to the BarbieStyle line, because it's just starting to feel like there's a lot of repetitiveness with the Barbie character. And I would like to see a little bit more of a switch with it. I feel like with the latest Ken and Barbie set, they tried something a little different, but she's still looking very much the same. That is my 2 cents. But now let's take a look at Vanity to see where it'll be living in my dollhouse. Shall we? I give you the bedroom of my dollhouse. And here is the fabulous Vanity. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see it fully. Now I'm currently holding the phone and a light in my hand, so I won't be able to open the drawers, but they do open, all three. The chair is foldable like a regular director's chair. The Vanity came with the bracelet holder and a few bracelets, a lipstick, a makeup palette, 2 perfumes, and then a mannequin neck for a necklace, which also has hooks. And now that I'm up close, it is dustier in here than I thought it was when I was taking it out. So much for thinking I cleaned. Now, the Vanity does have light, so let me turn off this light that I have here. Thank God I'm shooting this in the daytime, so there's some natural light. Let me go ahead and turn this on, and voila. It is so nice. Oh, there you got a little background of my actual bedroom. So beautiful. Hi there. Never done that before. I will be pushing it back a little further, but I just kind of wanted to give you a look of it now like that. And here's my bedroom. I'm currently missing the bed. That's gonna complete it. I have an idea to DIY that a friend gave me because I made the headboard myself. I have the original Barbie closet. I'm calling it original because it's such a throwback, and they haven't created a new one yet. So shout outs to the universe to try to get us a new Barbie closet sometime soon. Just gonna put that out there now that we've got a Vanity. But yeah, here's the Vanity. I might restyle it and switch some of the accessories up. But let me go ahead and dress our models and get this fashion show on the road, shall we?